Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your age on Tinder application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have Tinder application on your phone, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So first of all, of course, after opening your Tinder application, that will be your home screen. You can of course decline people or even match with people, or like until you wait if they match or not. Here we have the option of explore, where you can actually like find stuff. This is recently added to Tinder, and it is like on the all social media recently. You can find it everywhere, this explore option. Here we have the option to see the people who can like you. Of course, you would like to agree to go to see the people who have already liked you. And here we have the option of messaging the people that you matched with. So of course, after that, if you want to change your age, all you need to do, just head up to your settings by clicking at your icon at the top left corner. This is my icon. Of course, you could have another icon here. It depends on your profile picture right here. So for me, that will be my profile. Of course, if I want to change my age, as you can see, if I go to edit profile here, I'll not find it. If I go here to the settings, I will not find it as well, even if I search wherever I want. So your name and your age are the only pieces on your profile that you cannot change after creating your account. Of course, if you need to update or change one of them, I have the trick for you. You can just go and hit the settings here and scroll down to the bottom of the settings and click add deleting account. So of course, you would not like to pause your account. Of course, you would like to delete your account. If you want, choose whatever you want from here. If you don't want to, just hit the skip and click add delete your account. And then you would like to recreate your account with another age, or with whatever age you would like to appear here on your Tinder account, or even a name if you want. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.